Welcome back, Uncle Mark here with another installment of Uncle Mark's Do It Myself YouTube channel with Automotive. Something a little different, an unboxing of something. It's automotive related, so don't worry about that. It's the new Thinkdiag automotive diagnostic device, which is basically your little dongle there that goes into the OBD2 connector in your car, and a cable that goes along with it, because this thing's kind of big. So instead of plugging this thing, you plug the cable in, plug that in the bottom. We'll get to that in a minute. Haven't opened these up yet. Let's take a look at them and see what's all to it, and we'll try and even get it activated. This was something I bought. It was part of a Kickstarter. Well, and I don't want to, brag, because I can't. I actually got in it after they had already got up to their level where they said if we got, to this amount, they'd build it and send it out. So got in that, got the same price though, and I'm all excited about what it can do. I guess the first thing I'm going to want to do is cut this baby open. Put this in here. Come on. See what's in the box. I imagine it's the cable. Without destroying the box, maybe I want to keep the box, right? Come on. Well, maybe they never thought of it. Maybe they thought, oh, people are going to be... Uh-oh. Just ripped the box. Oh, my goodness. That's something easy to get at. Okay, well, there's the cable. Maybe we'll just end up putting this in some kind of a plastic toolbox or something. I thought it would be a little longer than that. Does it say how long it is? 1.9 feet, 60 centimeters. Oh. Supports OBD2 devices. Yep. How about this? So far, so good. Couple books. Another book. Why has it been so hard to get out? Okay. Cool. That, of course, will plug into there. And this can plug into your car. How are we going to activate this? That's going to be the next problem. Let's take a look at what this says. It's one of these. Is this the English? What's the difference? What's this one? Some other language. Okay, I want English. No offense if you don't speak English. Somewhere here will be English. Or will it? The only thing that's English here is that. Maybe. Throw that away. Get rid of this knife. Maybe this was the English thing. Otherwise I'm hooped. Okay. Now, it asks us to do a few things here. We want to go to the App Store, get that. Okay, let's do that first. So we're supposed to go to this. I think it's the app. All right, let's go to the app here. Okay, so we fill in our email address at the top here. I've got a Hotmail address. Now what? Enter code. Oh, okay, so it's coming to my email. Cool. I see a little countdown there on the right, that little gray button. Just waiting for that code to be sent. But I don't see my email. Maybe I'll refresh. Nope. Finally get the code. Off camera, of course. So I don't know what we're all doing here now that I've got access to everything. How do you get this thing working? Maybe we should just go to the car already and plug it in. That might be an idea. I don't like that I have to hold this thing portrait. You know, I'd like to do the landscape, hold it, you know, sideways. Just plugged it in. This is glowing nice and green. So let's see if we can figure out how to get this baby running. Let's maybe sit that there. I think you guys can see. So let's hit activation. Oh my goodness sake. Hi. So there's a serial number on this thing here somewhere. Must be in the box. Oh boy. So there will be, somewhere there'll be a serial number, which is under my thumb there, because I don't want to divulge it all. And then there's an activation code under that, just to be safe. So I'll put my serial number in here. Okay, and we should be good. Then activate. Allow once. The connector failed. Why? Active connector failed. Why? Does it have to be on? It doesn't say it has to be, does it? Because we're lit up. The dongle here is lit. Should we come back to it in a little bit? Give us a couple minutes, we'll see how it works. So one thing they haven't mentioned, I was using my Hotmail account, and that's originally what when I bid or did the Kickstarter, that was the address I used. Tried to use it here, tried it a bunch of times as you saw, tried it a bunch of times off camera. This is the next day or a couple days later. So I thought I'm going to try a Gmail account because sometimes, for whatever reason, that's what they want. Well, looks like that's what they wanted, but they never said you have to have a Gmail account. So if you're having trouble with a Hotmail or something else, and you have a Gmail account, maybe use that and try activating it. And boom, right away, it came up with, hey, okay, we're happy with that. Something maybe for those texts to work on. Still loading. And we seem stuck. Oh, call me a liar. So 52.74, and we see nothing happening. I don't know why. So let's get a little timer running here. Let's get all fancy on us here. So it must be doing something, but I don't like that it's not showing us activity. It's like it's stuck, like I just thought, from the 30-some% to that. Oh, see that? 63%. I'd like to see 64, 65, 66, like most things would do. It'll be interesting to see what this is going to be worth to the average person, or is it going to be worth the same amount of money that I paid? Come on. Wow. Oh, 100%. Software is downloading. You had a choice. What I got is I got a lifetime software. Actually, I think I got 2 of them. But you can, if you want, like, I'm going to go with GM, and I think I'm going to go with Chrysler. Although I do have a Ford also, but I seem to buy a lot of GM cars fairly popular, so I thought, well, if I buy one, another one to sell or something like that, it'll probably be a GM. They seem to be easy to sell and usually fairly cheap. Are we done? Next. There's a next button there. Next. Let's get you away from this. It's so cold out, I can't seem to. It says reading for data. That's good English. Reading for data, please wait. Health report, system scan, system selection. What's all that about? Let's communicate. Let's get you in a little closer while it's doing that. Oh, there you go. Heated seat module, AVAC, instrument panel cluster, show menu, engine control. Let's see what that's all about. Clear Falco, read. Let's read. Sure. I'd like to know about this. Actuated test would be cool. Radio, communication interference, brake module. I'd sure like to know about body control. Let's go to body control again. What's an actuator test? Exterior miscellaneous test. What's miscellaneous? Ooh, we can try the honk horn. I'm scared. Command state, none. Off. Okay, what about this? Off? Off? What's this? On? Okay, off. There you go. That was cool, look. So we can make the horn beep. Cool. So it does one little thing there. Let's exit out of that. Run, crank, shift, trunk release, wiper, high speed. Wow. Wiper washer motor. Let's try that. Oh. Okay, stop. By itself and no wipers. Now that's cool. Look at that. Oh, maybe you can't see the water up there. There it is. No, you heard no wipers, right? Well, I think we'll call it quits on this video. Little issues getting, the user ID set up there. I was using my Hotmail. It didn't seem to like Hotmail. But once I did a Gmail, used a Gmail account, good thing I had one. I guess you could set one up, right? It was happy with that. Boom, gave me whatever ID I needed and all that kind of stuff. It was registered. Wish the screen would flip. Don't have my thing here, but it seems to want to go up and down like this. I'd like it to go that way if it, like a lot of them do, but I guess it's a little thing, so it doesn't do the flip from vertical to horizontal or portrait to, what would you call that? Portrait to horizon. That's the word I'm thinking of there. The bi-directional capabilities look really cool. We got to do the windshield washer squirters, the pump run by itself. There'll be some other stuff. We'll do a complete video on that, or partial anyway. We'll tinker around with it, see what I can turn on, turn off. Might be good for diagnosing some stuff. Look for a video to come on that very soon. If you've seen this after I've posted it for a while, there should be a link up here somewhere. Down this way, you can subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you haven't checked out the channel yet, why not do that too? All sorts of automotive stuff. A couple things that aren't, but 99% automotive related. Go to the channel, hit like if you like, subscribe, and you'll get all the videos. Each one as it comes out, you'll get a notification. Thanks for watching. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Is this too close?